If you're trying to chat with many people at once and want to create a group inside of Telegram, let me show you the exact process that you need to follow. Welcome back to a new video on Howgenic. The way that you create a Telegram group is by tapping on this pencil icon, and then right here you'll see the option called New Group. From this list, you can pick all the people that you want to add in. You can add up to 200,000 members. So that is a lot of people that you can add in. Just pick the people that you want to add in and then tap on the arrow on the bottom right. Now, once you selected all of the people that you want to add in, you can enter in the name of the group, add in a profile picture if you want, and then tap on the tick mark on the bottom right. And just like that, your group now has been created. Whenever you send in messages inside of this group, everyone inside of it will get notified. So that's all there is in creating a group inside of Telegram. I do hope this guide video helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.